Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Flip Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video I'll show you two different ways thanks to which you can activate automatic software updates. So the first one requires entering actually the section with the updates. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the option software and update. Let's tap. Here we've got the option auto download, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got three options, so never using Wi-Fi only or using Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, this option may result in additional charges, so be aware about that. And all we have to do is to basically tap on using Wi-Fi only. Of course, if you wish, you can choose this one, but to be honest, I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi only. So just mark it and it will be set. Moreover, we've got another way to activate automatic system updates, which will appear during the soft reset, I believe. So let's scroll down to the very bottom in the settings and go to About Phone. Now we have to go to the software information here, and we have to localize this option build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and confirm it with OK. Then we have to go back to the general list of the settings and scroll down because the developer options will appear under the About Phone. So let's tap on it and scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system update, and simply tap on the switcher to activate this option. And as you can see, the updates will be applied whenever the phone will be restarted and if of course the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.